is Jen with By the Time. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be redecorating my living room. I got some brand new decor to make the living room homey, cozy, and inviting, so I cannot wait to show you, so stay tuned. If you are new here to my channel, welcome. I love sharing home decor, cooking, and DIY here on my channel, so if those are videos you enjoy watching, click that subscribe button below so you never miss a video. Okay, you guys, you know what time it is. Grab yourself a hot cup of coffee or a hot tea. Sit back, relax, and let's get to decorating. So here's a look at the living room. I like to start with the blank canvas, so I take everything out that I'm not using. I'm keeping, of course, the lamps and these white pillows, but everything is pretty much a blank canvas, so I can start decorating. So first up, I'm gonna start by decorating the mantle. I just found this beautiful mirror at HomeGoods for $29.99, and I love that it matches the mirror that is also over my couch. Next, I'm going to add these candlesticks that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I love symmetry, so I'm going to add 2 candlesticks to each side of the mirror. I love these flameless candles. They are so realistic, and I'm going to place one on top of each candlestick. Now I'm going to layer a few other accent pieces to the mantle, including this beautiful picture that I picked up at a local shop. If you are in the Western New York area, you'll have to check out the Mercantile. It's down in Derby. They just opened up in the fall. It is such a darling shop. And then I'm adding this cute little pot that I picked up at Hobby Lobby along with some greens. I love these greens from Hobby Lobby that I'm going to place inside the pot. And I also found this darling little bird at the Mercantile. I thought it was so cute. Makes me think of spring, but we also just love our birds outside. So I'm going to add that to the mantle as well. So next up, I'm going to decorate this cabinet underneath the farmhouse sign. I had an idea though that I wanted to add a shelf and some corbels where the farmhouse sign was. So I ordered this beautiful shelf and corbels on Amazon. It's absolutely gorgeous. I actually shared it on my Instagram stories as well. And I was afraid that it might be too much. So I moved it to my dining room instead. And I cannot wait to show you here shortly coming up. So here I'm just adding this beautiful basket with more of those greens from Hobby Lobby and a cute little onion lantern that I picked up at HomeGoods. Next, I'm going to add just a few accents to the side tables. I don't like to add too much. I like to keep it pretty simple. I found this cute sign that says gratitude creates happiness. It just brought a smile to my face, so I added that onto a plate stand. And I also found this beautiful vase also at the Mercantile. Over on this table, I'm adding a few books. These are actually books that I got at Dollar Tree, and I just removed the covers. I'd like to add this for some height. And then I have this pretty vase that I picked up also at the Mercantile that I'm going to place on top of the book stack along with some of the greens that are also from Hobby Lobby. Moving on to the top of my entertainment center underneath our television, I am adding my dough bowl, and then I found these really pretty faux artichokes that I'm going to add to the dough bowl. I already had these candle holders there from Kirkland's. I've had them here for years, so I'm going to leave those here and just keep it very simple. Next, I'm going to add some new pillows to the couches, and I picked up these beautiful pillows at the Mercantile. I love the vintage style, and they coordinate so nicely with the pillows I already had from Marshall's. I'm also adding a new pillow to this chair that I picked up at the Harvest Lantern, another really cute shop here in the Buffalo area. They have a website too, and I'll include a link for their website in the description below. Next up, I'm adding this beautiful magnolia wreath that I picked up years ago at Kirkland's. I'm adding it to the mirror that is above the couch. And now I'm going to style the coffee table. I found this tray at Marshall's. I love using trays on coffee tables because you can either move it or even take it off or move it side to side. On top of the tray, I'm adding this vase that I picked up at the Mercantile. Some more of these greens from Hobby Lobby that I love, along with some candlesticks and some flameless taper candles. This is how the tray looks styled on the center of the table, but I can easily move it to the side. I love it how it looks like this, or I can add this candle that I'm in love with. This is literally a monster candle. It is by Milk House Candles. The scent is Kitchen Cravings, and I love the way it makes my home smell. I picked this up at the Harvest Lantern. This candle is amazing. I love it, so I love putting it here on the table as well. On this table, I'm going to add this really pretty faux plant that I picked up at the Harvest Lantern. I love the wicker pot that it's in, and I'm going to add it next to the lamp. And on this table, I'm going to add these beautiful candlesticks that I picked up at the Mercantile. I love the wood against the black cabinet. And then I have this topiary that I actually picked up. It was in my entryway, but I really love it here. And then I have another one of these little vases that I also picked up at the Mercantile. I was going to place it somewhere else, but I actually like it here. And then I have a third vase that I'm going to place on this table too. Here's a peek again at what the living room looked like before, and here is how it looks now. It's just cozy, homey, and inviting. Okay, you guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. And let me know in the comments below what you enjoyed the most. And for daily decor and DIY inspo and behind the scenes and stories, make sure you're following me over on my Instagram page at Mother Time. Thank you so much for spending time with me here today. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.